Every brand has their hero cars, right? We have a history of making cars which are highly efficient. And of course, this time we will do it in electric.
Là, on cherche la performance en termes d'autonomie.
Our goal is efficiency, so we want to have a battery pack of the same size as a Scenic.
L'objectif, c'est de moins dépenser d'énergie possible, mais aussi limiter les efforts de portance et d'appui.
Beyond the fact that we want to achieve a record, there's also a design research happening on the car. And all of this inspiration will filter into our production cars. Less than 90 kilowatts of battery pack and we want to do 1,000 kilometers. That's a huge challenge.